Hi guys, today we are making a super adorable fall DIY wreath using shelf liners. Here is how it turned out, and everything that I used was from the Dollar Tree. This will work for any holiday. Just grab whatever they have and throw it together. So if you want to learn how to make this wreath, stick around. Okay, here's what you need. You'll need some shelf liner. I'm not sure how many I'm going to use yet. I can let you guys know how much I needed at the end of the video. I'm thinking I'm going to need probably about 6. You're also going to need zip ties. I got 2 packages of the 65. You'll also need a wreath form. And then I picked up a sign for the middle. It has like orange glitter. And on the wreath, I noticed they had some cute little flowers, and I tried to find some flowers that matched. So I found this one, and this is red. It doesn't necessarily go with the sign, but for fall, I thought I needed some red. And then this one I thought matched that one really well. And I also picked up some red burlap. And I also got some decorative leaves, which I'm kind of thinking I'm probably not going to use these at all, but we'll see. Okay, so we have all of our supplies, and we need to first start by cutting our grip liner. So I'm just going to set everything to the side. And this grip liner is 12 by 60. So I just unrolled it completely. Here it is. And we actually need to cut 10-inch squares. This is the 10-inch piece, but it's still 10 by 12. Once we get all of our 10 inches done, then I'm going to go back through and cut the 6. Okay, so this is my 10 inches here, and this is still 12 inches because we haven't cut that down yet. So now you should have 6 of these pieces, and now we're just gonna go back through and cut them into 6 inches. Okay, so if you want to go ahead and pause the video here, get all your liner cut. I would just start off with cutting just a few right now. I'm going to cut 1 of each color so I can do a variety of my wreath. And then if you want more, you can cut later. And like I said, you're going to need 6 by 10-inch strips. And each roll, you will have 12 pieces when you're done cutting it. Each roll will have 12 pieces. So we'll be right back. Okay, I got all my liner cut. I'm gonna start out with securing mine to this second ring. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4. I'm not gonna do any here. My sign is gonna take up a lot of that inner space, and I don't wanna waste my liner. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to start out just doing this ring right here. And I'll add more later for like the fuller look, but for now I'm just going to focus on this ring all the way around. Okay, I'm going to start with my tan color, this one here. And you're going to want to lay it flat and just bunch it up, like start in the center and just bunch it up, and it'll make a little bow like this. So once you have this little bow, you're gonna take your zip tie, and you can use any color zip tie. It's not gonna matter because you're not gonna see the zip tie. People use these pipe cleaners when they make wreaths out of this mesh, but I think that the zip ties work best with this grip liner. So you take your little bow, your zip tie, and you are going to want to loop it through like this. I'm gonna do my darker color next, and it's gonna be the Sophie. It's gonna be the same way as the other colors. You just pinch it in the middle, make the bow. Okay, here's how it's looking so far. Once we get more on there, it'll bunch up and they'll stand. They'll like stand up a little better, so don't worry about how it looks now. I'm just gonna continue and keep putting them on. I'm just gonna do them in like a random order, just no particular way, just putting the colors on there, and I'll be right back. Okay, I'm actually gonna start adding some of my burlap in. I'm just gonna add it with my liner. I'm probably only gonna cut like maybe 10 inches.
I need help.
Not yet. Like that. And I'm gonna just take the burlap and stick it right on there. I have about one section done from here to here, and I just put like 2 red pieces with it. I don't know how many I'm gonna end up doing. I can always add more later, but I wanna make sure I have enough for the whole thing. So now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move on to the next section. It's looking so cute already. So I have a lot of mine done right now, and I started trimming the back already, and I'm gonna put my sign on so I don't make it too full and can't get it on. So I'm just gonna try to place it kind of wherever. So I think I'm gonna put it right about here. It still gives me plenty of room to do stuff here and here. And I haven't added my flowers yet for decoration throughout. But I have this part here, and I'm just gonna zip tie it to the top, just like that. So here it is with my sign. I still need to put some here and on these corners, but for the most part, I'm almost done. I still need to add my flowers, and I might add some ribbon. Okay, now what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna start on my bottom portion, which is right below my sign, and I'm gonna do those on the outer ring. So you have this one, this is the one we normally put them on, and this one's the one I'm gonna put them on the bottom. That's just because of where my sign is sitting. If you have a smaller sign or you don't have a sign at all, just continue to do the second ring, but I'm gonna do this one right here. So I'm pretty much almost done. Now what I'm gonna do, because I still have a lot of the shelf liner left, I'm gonna go through and fill it in a little more on some of the places where I feel that it needs a couple more. Like, I think I'm gonna add some to the second row on the bottom, just to make it kind of puffy. And then I will go through and I will trim what needs trimmed, add my ribbon and my flowers, and then we'll be all done. Okay, we are all done. Here's how it turned out.
Mama, all done.
Mama's all done. So here it is. Now the back looks kind of crazy, but no one's gonna see the back. It's gonna go on your door. I have a little parrot over here. Thank you so much for watching to the end of the video. If you are new here, I would love to have you as a subscriber. Please hit the okiemomlife icon on the right side of the screen, and on the left side of the screen is my latest video. Thank you again for watching. See you next time. Bye.